Hello friends, welcome to again in accountancies chapter number 5 admission of a partner. In last lecture question number first admission of partner, name of partner Abha and Bina, and a new admission partner Mr. Rushins. About all adjustments and requirement calculation is already done. Now today I will give just effects in here 4 accounts. To complete these questions 4 accounts are prepared. First account is here revaluation account. Second one is here capital account. Third one is cash account or bank account, and last one is balance sheet. Listen carefully here how to start the question. All difficult adjustments, journal entries I have given, and ledger posting of all journal entries will be given here in various type of account, and other adjustments effects. First effect is given here in balance sheet, and second effect benefit or loss it will be given here in the valuation account. Okay, now let's start. We will start our answers from balance sheet. In balance sheet liability sides capital of Abha and Bina is given. Then first write down capital account balance. By balance brought down, Abha's capital is given 80,000 and Bina's capital is given 60,000. Rushil is a new partner, so its capital is not given, but in adjustments its capital is given. It will be taken from the journal entries. Okay. Now, on liability side, general reserve given rupees 18,000. In last lecture, general reserve, workmen compensation reserve, and investment fluctuation reserve, here 3 type of reserves are given, and its journal entry is already given. If you want to study further journal reserve, workmen's compensation reserve, and investment fluctuation reserve, these reserve are part of profit. So its journal entry orally now it will be debit and distribute among the partners to the credit side. I have already, you are given the journal entries for first one. Take journal entries for general reserve. Now you can see in your book, general reserve account debit to Abha capital account credit 12,000 and Bina capital account 6,000. But as the rule of ledger posting, here which word record? Here general reserve account word will be recorded, and in Abha capital account amount rupees 12,000 and Bina capital account amount rupees 6,000. Similar, next workmen's compensation reserve account is debit to Abha account and Bina account. Then write here by workmen compensations fund account. Distribution amount is 3,000 and 1,500. Next, investment fluctuation reserve account rupees 1,500 and distribute amount to Abha and Bina. write here investment fluctuations reserve account, amount 1000 and rupees 500. All reserves are distributed between old or continue to partners. Now see here adjustment number first. Rusil will bring rupees 1 lakh as his capital. Now you can see journal entries for this. What's journal entry? Case account debit rupees 1 lakh. Then write here in case account debit, but which word here record? Here opposite word at first case account debit, but I will write here Rusil capital account. Rusil account rupees 1 lakh. In case account debit, then Rusil capital account credit, and write here case account rupees 1 lakh. Next, Rusil brings 24,000 as a goodwill in case. Okay, journal entry. Next, case account debit to goodwill account. Then write here goodwill account. Amount is rupees 24,000. In last lecture, already journal entries for this is given, and two effect of goodwill. First effect is case account debit to goodwill account, and next, now new partner Rusil will bring goodwill, but it will be distributed among the continue partner. And journal entries, you can see that here. Now goodwill account debit. Now goodwill account debit to partners capital account credit. And here Miss Ava and Bina. Then write here case account, into bracket write goodwill for our information only. An amount is distributed to the partner 16,000 and 8,000. Here is credit, okay, and goodwill account over. And next, in adjustment number 2, value of land and building is to be increased by 70,000. See here. In balance sheet, land and building value is given 72,000. Then first write here land and building. Amount is given total 72,000. But increased amount is given 17,000. Increase, so it will be add 17,000. Then outer amount 9, 7 plus 1, 8. Here land and building value increased, so it is our benefit. And any type of benefit will record on revaluation account on credit side, but here write only land building account, and only increased amount will record. Increased amount rupees 17,000. And adjustment number 3. Value of machinery is to be decreased up to 32,000. Now see here, value of machinery is given already 40,000. Machinery Actual amount is given rupees 40,000 machinery. But which word is given here? See, study well. Value of machinery is to be decreased up to 32. Up to 32 means not minus 32, but up to 32. Then outer amount is 32. See here. Previous amount was 40 and up to 32. It means difference of this year is 8,000. It is decrease amount. Then write here decrease. Decrease means it's loss. Any type of loss will record here on debit side. 8,000. And word machine account. Okay. It is difficult point to understand. So please repeat this sentence and amount also. Next, adjustment number 4. Provision for bad debt is to be kept at 10% on debtors. Now see here, debtors are given 24,000. Then write here debtors 24,000. Its rough calculation is given in your book. You can see here debtors 10% of this amount, then 2,400 BDR. 10% is new amount, then remaining amount 21,600. But see here BDR new amount is 2,400, but already BDR is given amount rupees 2,000. So different of this only 400, and it will be recorded here BDR rupees 400. Only different amount will record. Note this point, and its rough calculation is already given in your book. You can see. Next, provision of outstanding electricity bill is to be made 1,100. Here underline what outstanding. Outstanding means it's not paid, so it's payable and it's our expense. Then first, it will be recorded in debit side. Outstanding electric bill 1,100. It is not paid, so it's liabilities. Then write here outstanding electric bill 1,100. Next, new profit sharing ratio, all three partners is to be kept and its calculation is done. Now all adjustments effects are given. The remaining entries from the balance sheet. Now take from the liability sides which effects are not given. See here, first on liability sides, capital effects are given and 3 reserve effects are given. Which are entries not recorded? Okay. See here, first one is creditors. There is no any adjustment, so directly amount will be recorded here. Creditors 28,000. See here, without any effect, only direct amount 28,000. Next, bills payable, and there is no any adjustment effect, so it will be directly recorded here. Bills payable. Bills payable amount rupees 12,000. Okay, and now complete to liabilities side, and now we will go to the asset side. On asset side, old goodwill given 18,000 and its journal effect is given yesterday. old goodwill account rupees is here is given 18,000, but it is old, so it will be not given to the credit side, but it will be distributed to the capital account on debit side to goodwill account but it is old one. Amount is rupees 12,000 and 6,000. Next, asset side, land, building, effects is given, machinery given, stock there is no any changes, then write them as it is 36,000 stock. 36,000. Next, debtors effect is given. Investments, there is no any changes, so write down as it is 8,000 investment. Amount is rupees 8,000. Cash account, here we have prepared cash, then it will not record in balance sheet, but it will record on cash account debit side, and here write amount rupees 2,000. And last, advertisements campaign expense, and its journal effect is given in last lecture. It will be given in capital account to the debit side to advertisements campaign expense. You can see journal for this, and amount of it 4,000 and 2,000. 4,000 and 2,000. Okay. Now here you can see that all adjustments effects and balance sheet effects are given. Now not any remaining entries or adjustments. So we will get the total of first revaluation account. In credit side you can see that just one entry, and debit side there are 3 entries. First total over here amount rupees 17,000. Here is more, then write down here is 17,000. Okay, and here is just 3 entry 8,400 and 1,100, and different OB is here 7,500. It is profit, and this profit 7,500 will distribute between the partners, but only 2 partners, Aba and Bina, because it is profit. It will be not given to the newcomer partners. So 7,500 distribute between 2 partners in old ratio. Then Aba and Bina will get here. Aba and Bina will get 5,000 and 2,500. Okay. Here is debit. Then it will be transferred to the capital account to credit side, and write here revaluation account. We can write here profit also, but this amount is taken from revaluation account. So as per ledger posting rules, we can write revaluation account also 5,000 and 2,500. 5,000 and 2,500. Okay. Now, first revaluation account work is done, and second account capital account. At first, we will close Aba, Bina and Rushil, but we will start from the last one. Last partner is Rushil, and its total is rupees 1 lakh. here is 1 lakh. On debit side there is no any amount. Then write here 1 lakh and write here and this 1 lakh will be taken to the balance sheet. Now next Abha and Bina. Total here is Abha 1,17,000. You can do total of this 1,17,000. 1,17,000 and for Bina 78,500. Okay, write down here 1,17,000 and 78,500. And different of here 1,01,000. And different of Bina 70,500. Okay. And in this amount of capital account, it will transfer to the new balance sheet. And write here at first capital. First one is Abha, Bina and Brussels. Abha's capital, new capital is 1,01,000. Bina 70,500 and Brussels 1 lakh. Okay. And now last, here we have a case account. And case account we have only 3 entries, 1,24,000 and 2,000. Total of this 1,26,000. Total of here 1,26,000. Here is nothing. Then this amount 1,20,000. It will be taken to the, it is last cash or bank balance to the asset side right here in last cash account. Amount is 1,26,000 and over with this. And total of balance sheet is 3,12,600. On both sides you will get 3,12,600 and its answer of these questions. Now anyone has doubt, see here again. It is very difficult to understand, but if you try to well with the help of journal entries and with the rule of ledger posting and slowly try to learn, then you will get answer. Okay, bye. Thank you very much.